Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful crochet lace tape. So this crochet lace tape looks very elegant and intricate, but it's really not that difficult. It is just a 2-row repeat after you get that first row finished. But before we start, if you're new here, welcome. Be sure to like and subscribe for more crochet lace, doily, and lace stitch tutorials. Now let's get into it. The written instructions and a diagram are available in the description below. Okay, to start this pattern, you are going to need size 10 crochet thread. I am using a 1.65 millimeter crochet hook. You will need scissors and then a tapestry needle to weave in any loose ends. All right, to start, we're going to put a slip knot on our hook. And then we are going to chain 18 chains. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. For row 1, we're going to single crochet into this second chain from our hook. And then we're going to single crochet into each and every chain across for a total of 17 single crochets. So go ahead and do that and I'll meet you at the end. All right, I have made 17 single crochets across. For row 2, we're going to chain 3. And that counts as a double crochet. We're going to turn our work and double crochet in the next single crochet. Chain 4. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then we are going to skip 3 single crochets and then single crochet in the next. So skip 1, 2, 3 into that 4th single crochet, make a single crochet. Chain 4 again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Skip 2 single crochets. So skip these 2. In the 3rd single crochet, we're going to make a double crochet. Chain 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Skip 2 single crochets and single crochet into the next. So skip these 2. In this one, make a single crochet. Chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we're going to skip 3. 1, 2, 3. And in that 4th one, we're going to make a double crochet. And then we're going to make another double crochet in that very last single crochet. All right, for row 3, we're going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Turn our work. We're going to double crochet in the next double crochet. Chain 2. Single crochet in this chain 4 space. Chain 2 again. And then we are going to double crochet into the next chain 4 space. Chain 4. 4. And then we're going to single crochet in the same chain 4 space as the double crochet that we just made. Chain 3. And then we're going to hop over this double crochet and then single crochet in the next chain 4 space. Chain 4, double crochet in the same chain 4 space, chain 2, single crochet in the next chain 4 space, chain 2 again, and then double crochet in the next double crochet, and then double crochet in this top chain of the starting chain 3. All right, for row 4, we're going to chain 3, turn our work, we're going to double crochet in the next double crochet, chain 4, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we're going to skip this chain 2, the single crochet in the other chain 2, and then we're going to go right into this first chain 4 space and make a single crochet. Chain 4, and then in this chain 3 space right above this double crochet, we're going to make a double crochet. Chain 4, and then single crochet in the next chain 4 space. Chain 4, and then we're going to skip this double crochet, the chain 2, single, and the other chain 2, and then all the way towards the end we're going to double crochet in this last double crochet, and then we're going to double crochet one more time in the top of this starting chain 3. And then for the rest of the pattern, we will just repeat row 3 and 4 until your lace is as long as you want it to be. So I'll do that with you one more time. So chain 3, turn, double crochet in the next double crochet, chain 2, single crochet in this chain 4 space, chain 2, in this next chain 4 space, double crochet, chain 4, single crochet in that same chain 4 space, chain 3, skip over this double crochet and single crochet in the next chain 4 space, chain 4, double crochet in the same chain 4 space, chain 2, single crochet in the next chain 4 space, chain 2, and then we'll finish by double crocheting in the next double crochet, and then double crochet in the top of that starting chain 3. All right, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, turn your work, double crochet in the next double crochet, chain 4, and then we're going to skip this chain 2, skip the single crochet, skip this chain 2, and in this chain 4 space we will single crochet, chain 4, and then in the chain 3 space we will double crochet, chain 4 again, single crochet in the next chain 4 space, chain 4, and single crochet, or I'm sorry, not single crochet, double crochet in this last double crochet. So not this one, skip all these, in this double crochet, make a double crochet. And then one more double crochet in that starting chain 3 at the very top. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.